Okay, so here we already get the request value from the user. Okay, in my browser we get to see like whatever the whatever the username and password, whatever the username and password is there. Simply we remove that one. We simply put the Kaushik, and the password is 123456. Okay, put a login, click on the login, and here we get to see the full username is Kaushik and the password is this. Okay, so this thing we will get from the request and refresh the page, and going back to the code editor. Okay, so here we comment the code printer. Okay, and what we need to do, we are going to start a session, right? Session underscore start. Okay, this is a function, and this function is responsible to start a session in PHP. Fine. Why we need session start here, we will get to know at this video. Okay, so session start, we already start the session here, and what we are going to do, we are going to remove this code here, and simply we are going to write if condition, if, okay, if count is a function which is going to count post data. Okay, so if count dollar underscore post greater than 0, okay, then what you need to do, we are like we are going to uh, we are going to create a connection, right? We're going to create a connection. So this is a variable, the name is con, and this variable is holding a connection. What connection? MySQLi connect. Okay, MySQLi connect. Fine. So this is a MySQLi connect function. This connect function having 4 parameter, that is local host, comma, root, comma, and we don't have any password in my database, like database in the sense PHP. I will show you, please wait. And the last one is the database name, which is core PHP. Fine. Okay, so if MySQL underscore connect is okay, then fine. Otherwise, die die the connection and write a message unable to connect. Done. Okay, so now why I am going to write localhost, because my server is a local server, see, localhost, and my PHP my admin is also localhost, see, localhost. And why I am going to write this root, this is the username. It means first parameter is server name, which is localhost. Second parameter is username, which is root. Third parameter is password, which is null. In my case, fourth parameter is the database name. This is core PHP. In my case, you are getting get to see the core PHP. See, core PHP is my database. Okay, fine. And if I click on the PHP my admin, so you will get to see the user is root, right? So we don't have any password, so that's why I'm not going to put any password over here. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's move to the code, and here we're going to write a query. Okay, so